Hey, what's up, guys? I replaced the iPhone X LCD. I replaced it with the new one. This is the new one. I haven't closed it yet because I'm having a situation. This doesn't turn on. And this is the second time something like this happened, where after I replaced an iPhone 11 LCD, it would not turn on. So this is the quality LCD that I use. It's a Incel for the iPhone 11. These are the tools that I use, and these are some of the screws that are there that I have to close with, and that's just some of the screws because all the work has been done. So now the problem is not turning on. And when I connect this to the charger, to the lightning port, I feel the vibration, but there's nothing showing here. So this happened before. I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So what you have to do to fix this is you have to press and release the power up button, down button, and hold the power button. And keep holding it. And you will see that the logo will show up and it will turn on. So you know what? It didn't work. So let's try again. Let's make sure that the volume knob is turned on. Okay, press and release the power up button. Do the same thing with, okay, let's start again. Press and release the top button. Do the same thing, down button, and press and hold the power button. Okay, so let's try it again. Quickly, okay. Up, down, power. Okay, so okay, let's try it again. Up, down, power. Okay, you see, guys? It came on, and I'm doing this while I'm recording, so I didn't hide anything from you. Okay, what's going on? Is it coming or is it not coming? Why is this happening? Okay, well, something is not right. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so what's happening now? Please, just turn on. I don't know why this is happening. Maybe the customer had a water damage situation in the past, and okay, you see, guys? So this is how you fix. Okay, so I was saying maybe the customer had a water damage situation in the past, and her phone wasn't exactly like the way that factory gave it, and maybe because of like a water damage or something, that's why this situation happened. But yeah, guys, so you know what to do. Just keep doing it. Press the up button, down button, and the power button, and do it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it, okay? And it will turn on. And guess what? This is the second time I did this, and it fixed the situation. So, guys, you know what to do now. You guys should be all good right now. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. This is Tech Mike. I put the screws on top of the plates, and then I closed it, and now I'm going to close this and then put those two little screws on the bottom. So there you have it. I put the two screws using the WIHS screwdriver. That's the best screwdriver because it doesn't wear off. And because it doesn't wear off, it doesn't damage the screws, and yeah, you're able to open it, you're able to close it. You don't get stuck because the driver is bad and the screw is bad and you can't open it or close it. That doesn't happen. So this, I got it from the website subscribelike.com. So guys, take advantage of this promo code. You get 20% off. Just enter this promo code in the checkout. And this is for all my fans. Thank you very much. And also check out my other videos, because there's a gaming app that I play where I make, right now I'm making like $15,000 a month. So check out my other video, and I have a promo code there where you get $30 for free. See you on the next one. Bye.